Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. A floating keyboard allows users to type with one hand more comfortably. By resizing and repositioning the keyboard, it can be placed anywhere on the screen, making it easier to reach all the keys with just the thumb. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First, I'm gonna show you my keyboard display. Well, after that, here, please click Settings icon. And then here you can scroll down till you find Mode option. Okay, you tap on it. Okay, and then here you can activate the floating keyboard for each option. Okay, after that, let's see that now the floating keyboard is successfully active and all ready to use. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.